Yes, it's Kevin Stern, and absolutely happy with him. He does a fantastic job, and it's always on top of, he's on top of us, and he's on top of the customer contacts, and as I said, a couple of people were not there at the appointed time. Who's supposed to be here? Let me go round them up, and then they come in. So it's been good. He's very good.
Kevin is our sales rep. He's been wonderful. As with every event, things change, and he's on top of it, letting us know if there's been a change, and fills that slot with someone else that we might not have been able to talk to.
Kevin, and he's fantastic. I mean, he does a good job of, at the right times, prior to setting up the prep calls, doing those type things. The preps are quick, 10, 15 minutes, you're hitting on the top things and moving on. Once you have it down once, those get a lot easier.